would like to briefly walk through the techniques I use in this project to localize this old-fashioned Overwatch poster in English into simplified Chinese. How to localize this one into that one. So first and foremost, we need to make a picture list of the words we need to localize, which I have already made here. You can use phrase or catch-alls or just simply translate by yourself. And then I will use this rectangular tool to choose all the English words in the original file and then fill them with the color that is the background. But as we can notice here, which is quite special, that those words have their different patterns. So before that, actually we need to make patterns so that we can use later when we choose the color or the pattern of the fonts. So I simply choose some dots and also the color in a small piece of that words so that can be used to define as the pattern. We simply choose define pattern, and as you can see, it is the 7th pattern I define, and then we use this rectangular tool, and then to fill this space with the color, and we choose the color, this background dark blue color, and we click OK, and then OK. So it just disappeared. And also we use the same technique with the begins with you, and also we have to create the yellow dots pattern so that we can use later. And then we also use the same technique with these words below. We just simply fill them with the color as the background. And also with these lines to maintain global stability. And for this call to action brought to you by Overwatch, this line, I also want to see that, as we can see when we zoom in a little bit, we can see there are also some kind of patterns here. So I will also create a similar pattern by choose the formal one, this line, and then fill this area with that pattern. If we directly fill this area with the background color, you will see. If we simply choose the color and then we choose the background color and we choose OK instead of pattern, as you can see, it's a little bit wild and different from those on the left and on the right. So I will not do that like that. I will fill it with the pattern. So after we fill all those different places with the background color and the patterns, one line on the title as an example. We simply paste in our translation version from our picture list. And then we adjust the size of the font. We use the right font that I chose. I chose an old tradition Chinese font and adjusted to the suitable size, and then use the pattern that we created before. We choose the pattern, we click OK, and then we can just choose the pattern that we created before, this one blue one with dots, and we just click OK, and that's how we add pattern to our fonts. And also we use the same method with begin with you.